most of our new installs, we'll do a site survey prior to the actual install. This will ensure that we have the proper size of the building, any trouble areas, get that to the project lead so they can determine what parts are necessarily needed, and engineering team can make sure that that goes well for us before we do the install. Crucial parts to the survey would be ceiling height, if a lift or particular size ladders are needed, if there's a on-site time that's required, any special requirements for safety procedures that the client has for our field team.
New installations get executed perfectly by proper communication before the install is even set forth. I communicate well with the PMO team and the scheduling team. I normally call my customers a week or so before to get any questions answered before going to the site. With Interface, we are fully stocked with all of the up-to-date supplies and needed parts to resolve issues on the first trip. We're able to fix the site first trip, no issues.